Michael Jackson, turn off. Okay, there you go. Hey, what is going on? Hold on. Look at the top of his head. I need to make my face look better, all right? Its-Ascencio is not Its-Ascencio without good facial hair products. Wait, what? Anyways, this is gonna be a little vlog. I can't get over my hair. As you can see, my room is a gigantic freaking mess. Like, what the fuck? That's all my recording equipment right there. I gotta somehow finagle that onto this desk and like this little mini set. Yes, this is my setup. I'm broke, all right? Spare change, ma'am. Don't mind the tripod. That's not gonna be there forever. That's just gonna be there while recording me. Look at Shadow the Hedgehog. This is gonna be like a demo. I am not an interior designer whatsoever. Oh my gosh, I'm covering the freaking mic. I'm not an interior designer, but if one of you guys has a knack for this kind of stuff, please let me know, all right? I don't know how I'm gonna fit this in here, but it's gonna fit in here. Because look at this. Excuse me, buddy. Excuse me, ma'am. Look at this. I can't. Look at that guy. Oh my God, no way. Yeah, I used to have all my PC. I used to have all that stuff in here in a closet. Technically, this is supposed to be my sister's room, but she comes and visits every now and then she doesn't even freaking use it. But yeah, I cannot be in this room anymore. It's already packed. And I mean, if it's gonna be a room, it might as well be my room. It gives me like when I'm recording, I should like clean around, right? So that it just motivates me to clean more, right? I'm gonna try and finagle all this stuff on my setup, and I'll let you guys watch because this is gonna be insane. I'm gonna just put this in my friggin' closet because I might as well. Oh, that's perfect. Check this out. Yes, this is my closet. I don't have enough ganchos. I don't know how you call them in English. Hangers, there you go. Yeah, like that's perfect. I think that's perfect enough. I can fit some more stuff in there, but yeah, this is gonna suck. Not gonna lie, dudes, and dudettes, I can't forget the ladies. I know y'all watching me. I'm kinda liking this. I'm kinda liking it. Cause it makes me end up having more space over there. So I can like, if I wanna jump on my bed while recording, I can do that. The thing that sucks is that I do have another nightstand right there. So I don't know what the freak is, where do I put this? I also have a guitar. And then these freaking, look at this dude. This chili bean being in here, he takes up most of the room and he doesn't help. Why don't you help, buddy? Huh? Why can't you move my bed? I'm asking you. This guy also wants to be in the limelight too. Say what's up. I stuck these on because these were like for LED lights. You know, I had some in the past videos. But look at this. It just rips the freaking... Ah! Leave that little guy alone. No! Darn. Look at my mustache. It looks like an alien ship. Look at this. I'm just as antisocial as this cat. I put it facing because I want to, there's like little drawers down there that I want to access so that I can put stuff in. Honestly, I think I'm liking this a little bit more, just because it's like, I'm gonna just be like, oh, boom, right here. And then I have all this space to move around, right? I got all this space, pushing my chair, and then I got all this room to just walk straight through. we go. Now I can just go here, ba-da-ba, boom, and then pow. And the cool thing is that the lighting from outside also hits my face, plus the light, plus I have my camera right here, so it'll be great lighting. But the weird thing is that there's people out there. Alright, my boys and girls, check it out. Hey, ladies, dudes. I think this is gonna be it. This is the new setup. I am really loving this new setup. Look at my dog. So we got Shadow the Hedgehog over there, you know. We got Peluche Canelo. Say what's up, say what's up. Fun fact, that dog stuffed animal name there is Peluche. And I named this guy Peluche because he's my best friend. And the funny thing is that his kid came out like this guy. Coincidence? I got everything nice and tidy over here. The camera's gonna be where Jeff is at. Look how bright it is outside. I actually got the microphone positioned right on top so that it won't be seen when I'm recording, and it will have good audio quality. And if you guys know how to set these specific Blue Yeti microphones up, hit me up, because I still feel like my recording sounds terrible compared to everyone else. So help me. I got all my Hot Wheels piled up over here. I think it looks a little nicer this way, even though it doesn't show what kind of car I have. I got my 2 premium collections up there. Thank you for my Christmas gifts. I got my anime section. You already know, Ultra Instinct Goku. We got Tengen Uzui because he's the boss. We got Nezuko because we can't have Tanjiro without Nezuko. Fun fact, I got my mom's friend got me this from Japan. Look at that, 1,800 yen. That's gotta be like what, 10 bucks, right? And then I got my little shark. As you guys can tell, I mean, I love sharks. Yeah. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed. If you guys have any tips for how to set up my bedroom, because I have no idea what the freak I am doing, hit me up. You know, always send me a comment over here, and I gotta get to editing this video, so I will talk to you guys later. See ya.